To Kill a Mockingbird by Harper Lee. 1930s, a small town in the southern U.S. called Macomb, Alabama, a young girl named Scout Finch, who tells the story as she remembers it from her childhood. Scout Finch are the narrator, curious and smart Yem Finch, Scout's older brother Atticus Finch, their father, a wise and moral lawyer Tom Robinson, a black man accused of a crime, Boo Radley, a mysterious neighbor who never leaves his house, My Ella Yule, the young white woman who accuses Tom Bob Yule, My Ella's racist and abusive father, childhood and curiosity Scout, and Yem are young children growing up in Macomb. They're fascinated by a mysterious neighbor named Boo Radley, who never comes outside. They imagine wild stories about him. Their father, Atticus, teaches them to be kind and fair to all people, regardless of their skin color or background. The court case, a black man, Tom Robinson, is accused of raping a white woman, My Ella Yule. Atticus is asked to defend Tom in court, even though the town is full of racism. Atticus proves in court that Tom is innocent and that My Ella lied because she was ashamed of liking a black man, something forbidden in their racist society. But the jury still finds Tom guilty, just because he's black. Injustice and its effects. Tom later dies while trying to escape from prison. Scout and Yem are heartbroken and confused by the unfairness. Meanwhile, Bob Yule, My Ella's father, is angry that Atticus embarrassed him in court. He threatens Atticus and even attacks Scout and Yem at night. They are saved by the mysterious neighbor, Boo Radley, who finally comes out of hiding to protect them. Themes and messages. Racism is deeply unfair, and even good people can lose in a biased system. Courage means doing what's right, even when you know you might fail. Children see the world honestly, and often more fairly than adults. Don't judge people without knowing them, like Boo Radley, who turned out to be kind. Why it's called To Kill a Mockingbird. Atticus tells Scout it's a sin to kill a mockingbird because mockingbirds only sing and do no harm. They symbolize innocent people who suffer because of others' cruelty, like Tom Robinson and Boo Radley.